I don't get it.
All right.
There she goes. All right, watch the front. All right. Let me warm up my excavator. I'm gonna get this to my campfire location now.
Just nice and slow though. You don't want to lose any of it out the back. You didn't strap him down.
Watch the trunk latch handle this 1,000-pound log.
They over-engineered the trunk latch more than the
Yeah,
tire
seriously.
hitch.
Oh! Hey,
Huh.
you guys want to ride on the log? It's safe.
No, I'm good.
Now what I'm going to be doing is simulating small car accidents. I'm going to yank the absolute tarnation out of the Smith family. If you don't know who the Smith family is, we had beef in my last video. They kept cutting me off on the highway. What is he doing? Bro just got in the middle.
Oh, watch out for Danny.
Get the out of the way. This is wild, actually. Like, it's crazy how safe it is. It's not even uncontrolled at all.
Yeah.
Oh my god!